podcast. Today we'll talk about how can you turn off best of list notifications on your OpenTable app. So all you have to do, just go above this photo, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here on your profile. Then all you have to do, just click on account settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just click here on communications and you come to this list here. So then you go down and you click here on my notifications here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just come to best of list and you click in this sign or this color. So like you see color, it's gone. That's all you have to do now. Just click in this sign and you go back and click here on save. Then it's going to save video and turn off video now best of list like you see. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.